Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces sa araw na ito gamit ang ating tarot cards. Alamin natin kung ano yung magiging mensahe, gabay, advices, or pwedeng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay, gamitin natin itong tarot cards natin. Okay? Reminder lang Pisces na ito ay general reading po. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede din pong hindi, okay? And this is a timeless reading. So, kahit anong araw, buwan o taon mo ito napanood, basta mag-resonate po, yun lang. Okay? And welcome po ang lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT man yung nanonood, and yung mga taong dinidil nyo po, basta mag-resonate, okay lang, pag hindi, o po natin ipilit. Okay, so, ano po ang message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Ano po ang message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Ano po ang message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Okay, King of Wands, Ace of Cups, Ten of Cups, and Four of Pentacles. Oh, wow. So, pwede you're dealing with an fire sign, masculine fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces. Okay? And kahit po masculine energy yung nandito, kahit po king siya, okay? Again, sinasabi ko po always na lahat po ng gender ay pwede pong mag-resonate, okay? Wala po tayong gender specific, okay? Bottom of the deck is Two of Pentacles, okay? So, okay, sa nararamdaman ko kasi kailangan natin siyang i-clarify. Ito yung bottom of the deck natin, okay? So, clarify natin itong si King of Wands. Actually, sa apat na cards na nandito, together with this, our bottom of the deck, actually maganda siya lahat, okay? It's all about love. And there's some kind of money right here. Pwede ito ay si King of Wands na magbibigay sa'yo ng pagmamahal, clarifications, full of abundance, full of, alam mo yun, yung Ace of Cups kasi is all about emotion. Okay? And sa nararamdaman ko, this is guided by God kasi meron tayo ditong dove sa taas, okay? Na may, anong tawag nito sa parang simbahan? Yung, hindi ko kasi alam ko yung ostya ba yun? Comment down below na lang po, Pisces, kung ano po yung tawag nito, okay? Nakalimutan ko kasi. And there's a cup na nandito and nag-uumapaw yung pagmamahal, yung happiness, okay? Together with this Ten of Cups, kitang-kita nyo, Pisces, happy family. Happy family, pwedeng ikaw ay meron ng anak, okay? Pwedeng ikaw ay pamilyado na, or pwedeng this person na si King of Wands is there is something na meron siyang ibibigay sa'yo and meron itong connection sa pagmamahal and sa pamilya. Okay? So, pwede you're dealing with someone na King of Wands na kung saan this person is generous. Okay? Pwede ito yung nakatira sa countryside. Pwede probinsya or pwede mahilig sa tanim. Okay? Or something na more on province siya. Okay? Kumbaga malapit siya sa nature. Okay? And this person is mapagbigay and ito yung ibibigay niya sa'yo, Pisces. Ace of Cups. Okay? Punong-puno ng pagmamahal. Kung naghahanap ka man ng love, ito yon. Okay? And ang kasunod niya pa is Ten of Cups, which is Happy Family card. Punong-puno. Isa to sa pinakagusto kong card. Okay? Kasi it's full of happiness. It's full of love. It's full of abundance, pagpapasalamat, kasiyahan kasama ng pamilya mo, okay? And meron tayo ditong Four of Cups, Four of Pentacles. This card right here is pwede meron connection sa pera, okay? So, pwede itong taong to is nag-iipon ng pera. And as of now, parang meron siyang, alam mo yun, or pwedeng ikaw, yung parang nagdadalawang isip, ano ba, tatanggapin mo ba to or hindi? Itong ibibigay ng taong to, okay? It's up to you, Pisces, kung ikaw yung magde-decide kung ano yung gusto mong gawin sa taong to. And this person is merong connection sa pera. It's either nag-iipon siya or pwedeng ikaw. Okay? Or pwedeng itong taong to is marunong humawak ng pera. This is a financially stable person. Okay? So, Actually, maganda lahat eh. Maganda yung cards natin ngayon. Okay, pero feel ko kasi kailangan natin siyang i-clarify. So, kuha tayo ng clarifications for King of Wands. Pwedeng ikaw to, Pisces, or pwedeng you're dealing with someone na King of Wands, okay? Other person. So, ano po yung clarifications for King of Wands for Pisces sa araw na ito? Ano po yung clarifications for King of Wands? Oh, Queen of Swords. Yes, it's up to you, Pisces. Ikaw yung magde-decide kung ano yung gustong, kung ano yung, kumbaga, iaabot ng taong to sa'yo, Pisces. Ikaw yung magde-decision. It's up to you. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw to or pwedeng ikaw to. Pwede pong vice versa ang energies natin dito. Okay? So, ano po yung clarification for Ace of Cups? Bakit ibibigay? Ayun. Okay, so, meron pang nag-flip dito. Oh, wow. Yes, punong-puno siya ng pagmamahal, Pisces. Okay, Knight of Cups. Okay, kitang-kita nyo. Ito yun, no? Ito. Ito yung ibibigay niya sa'yo. Or ikaw yung magbibigay, Pisces. Okay? Kitang-kita nyo, punong-puno ng pagmamahal. Tapos together with Queen of Pentacles, this person or kita ng taong to kung paano kanya i-value, paano kanya, nakita niya yung worth mo. Okay? Or pwedeng ikaw, alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung worth mo and yun yung ibibigay niya sa'yo, Pisces. Okay? Kasi there's a Queen of Pentacles and sobrang laking coin yung kumbaga, focus niya, okay? And this is your worth, this is your value, Pisces. And ito yung ibibigay niya sa'yo, okay? And merong planning, there's a three of wands, there's a planning to travel kasi meron tayo ditong parang barko, okay? Dagat, and merong kabilang isla. And together with this, meron tayo ditong barko, okay? So, again, it's up to you pa rin, Pisces, kung ano po yung decision nyo. And Three of Pentacles and the Wheel of Fortune. Three of Pentacles, Pisces, kitang-kita nyo, meron siyang kasalan, okay? Para siyang kinakasal, okay? Parang ito yung belo ng babae, ito yung groom, okay? This is the bride, and ito yung pastor, lawyer, pwede din, okay? Kung civil man, or pwedeng pare or anyone na magkakasal, okay? There's a proposal, there's a meeting, there's a masinsinang pag-uusap, lalo na kung merong connection sa love, okay? Parang love reading ang reading natin ngayon, Pisces, okay? Kasi lahat ng mga nandito is full of love, okay? It's either sa nararamdaman ko, someone na pupuntahan ka, okay? But at the end of the reading right now is, ikaw pa rin yung magde-decide, Pisces, okay? Kung tatanggapin mo man to. And the Wheel of Fortune, again, this is guided by God. This is will of God. This is destined to be yours, Pisces. But again, always ko sinasabi na ikaw pa rin po ang magde-decide, okay? So, ano po yung clarifications for Ten of Cups? Ano po yung clarifications for Ten of Cups? For Pisces, ano po yung clarifications for Ten of Cups? For Pisces, wow. Yes. Again, Pisces, Page of Cups. Puro cups yung nandito natin ngayon, okay? And, wow. Nine of Pentacles. Okay, this person sees your worth kasi kanina nakita natin tong si Queen of Pentacles and ito ka. Okay, this person will move mountains for you, Pisces. Kitang-kita nyo. And this person, alam niya yung worth mo and kung ano yung dinemand mo, I deserve someone better, I deserve someone na mag-e-effort. Alam mo yun, mga ganung bagay. Okay? Ganun yung ibibigay niya sa'yo. And Ace of Pentacles, Pisces. Yes. Ito yun, no? Ito. Wow. Wow. Meron tayo ditong Ace of Cups. Okay? Ace of Love, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Money, Ace of Value, Ace of Worth. Okay? And meron tayo ditong Page of Cups and Knight of Cups. Punong-puno. Actually, para siyang love reading. Love reading to eh. And meron pa tayo ditong The Lovers. Okay. So this is the sign, this is the overall clarification, Pisces. Our reading right now is a love reading, okay? So there is someone, but at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin po pipili kasi yung bottom of the deck natin dito, okay? Pero ang intensyon ng taong to is sobrang punong-puno ng pagmamahal, and alam niya yung worth mo, alam niya yung kung ano yung deserve mo. Okay? It's either this is a new person, Pisces, or ito yung, sa nararamdaman ko, parang new person siya eh. Okay? Or pwedeng dinidil mo na to kasi meron tayo ditong Ten of Cups, which is happy family card. Okay? So, meron itong connection sa family. Pwedeng meron ka ng anak, meron kayong anak. Okay? And pwedeng magsasabi siya sa'yo ng full of emotions, and alam mo yun, papahalagahan ka. Again, sinabi ko kanina, he or she will, oh, yan. Okay. So, clarifications for our Four of Cups is Ten of Wands. Medyo there's ano lang sa financial, Pisces, pero ang overall natin dito is full of love, full of emotions, full of abundance, full of commitment, okay? Again, sinabi ko kanina, meron tayo ditong parang proposal, love, wedding, okay? And meron pa tayo ditong Page of Cups and Knight of Cups. Lahat sila nagbibigay ng Ace of Cups natin dito, okay? So, merong medyo struggle lang sa pera, pero ang overall natin dito is sobrang ganda. Yung clarifications, yung mismong card natin ngayon, it's full of love, full of self-worth, full of deserve something, full of, alam mo yun, punong-puno ng pagmamahal, punong-puno ng kasiyahan, okay? Pwedeng merong connection sa pagbubuo ng sariling pamilya kasi meron tayo ditong Ten of Cups, and there's a Three of Pentacles, okay? So, pwedeng kayo ay single, Pisces, and ito yung hinahanap nyo, ito yung sign for you na there is something, there is someone na magdadala sa'yo ng magandang love, okay? Or kung hindi naman, pwedeng ito yung current relationship mo, pwedeng asawa mo na to, Pisces, or pwedeng ikaw yung magbibigay ng full of love to someone, okay? Bottom of the deck is the Chariot. Travel card, Pisces. Travel card. Meron tayo dito kanina, oh. Three of Wands. Sinabi ko kanina, there's a planning to travel. And, yes, ito na. The Chariot. Travel card. Ito yung traveling card. Pag nakikita natin to, ibig sabihin, Pisces, there is someone to travel. It's either you or there is someone na pupuntahan ka. Okay? So, ito, bottom of the deck natin dito is Two of Pentacles and the Chariot. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino or ano po yung konektado sa reading ni Pisces ngayon. Okay? So, this is a love reading for Pisces. There is a W, social media. Okay? So, pwedeng nagkakita kayo sa online or pwedeng nagko-communicate kayo through online. Okay? Social media, matangos ang ilong. Okay, conversation. Yes, sinabi ko kanina, pwedeng nag-uusap kayo through social media, mapagbigay. Yes, generous. Generous itong taong to. Magiging generous siya sa pagmamahal niya. Ibibigay niya ang pagmamahal sa'yo. Yes, there's an offer. Ito yon. Whatever kind of offer is that, meron siyang offer na sa'yo. Masipag. Okay? Magulang. Okay, so pwedeng merong connection sa magulang or pwedeng pareho na kayong magulang. Okay? And there's a letter L. W and L. Okay? So, yun lang po, Pisces, ang ating reading sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless.